we're back here in Laguna Niguel, California, in the beautiful neighborhood of Bear Brand. And in this beautiful home, which is actually now more beautiful, we got to do a lot of really cool and unique things that we haven't gotten to do before. My name is Sabrina Phillips. I own Designing Women of Orange County, and I'm an ASID interior designer and general contractor. So I'm super stoked to show you everything that we got to do in here. So let's take a look inside. So here we are inside the home. One of the first things we did is we demoed all of the floor and we replaced it with this beautiful 36 by 36, I think it's Calacatta Orzo marble. And it is just stunning. And so that we didn't have, because there's another area where this all flows and goes over here in an area you can't see right now, but it steps down. And anytime there's a transition with a step down, we do all kinds of fun little tricks right at the edge so that people can have the awareness that there's a step down here. We don't want you to fall down onto your face. So we're just nice that way. That's kind of people we are. And so anyway, so we found this absolutely gorgeous, I mean almost one of a kind trim type piece, and we'll get another closer in shot of that here, but it is just this beautiful gold arabesque pattern of tile, and it was not inexpensive. It was a great investment. That's what it was. And so anyway, but I don't know if you can see over here to my right, your left, the beautiful makeover of this staircase. Now this client was inspired to use the gold here from, I believe it was Orange County Housewives or Beverly Hills Housewives show. It was in one of them, and we have pretty much replicated something very similar for her. All of the handrail is wrought iron hand, what do you call that, hand, what is that word? Anyway, whatever it is. And they came in and literally shaped this on the job site. There's a really cool swirl to this at the ends here. And we also added this little bit of a rounded area. It just kind of stopped blank here at the bottom of the foot of the stairs here. So she loves it. That's what we love. And it definitely makes a major statement when you walk in the front door. We did replace all of the flooring throughout the house, actually, except for in the kitchen, because that was pretty new, when it has tile. So we replaced all of the carpeting, and then, like I said, all of this with this beautiful marble. It just turned out really, really pretty. I'd like to take you into the dining room area, too, where I'll show you the draperies that we did for her, as well as this one-of-a-kind chandelier. So let's go take a look at that. So one of the other things that we did for her here is we replaced all of her drapery. She had a bit of almost a gold sheer fabric in the windows here, and it really didn't say anything. It didn't jump out at you. It didn't say welcome. It didn't say anything. So we found this beautiful material to play off of those stairs with this gorgeous black and gold fabric. And this looks a little bit like a hibiscus flower in here as far as the pattern goes. It's very island-like or California-like maybe. so it's beautiful. I love it. And then we used these really gorgeous gold rods with the crystal cut glass finial ends to touch it off and bring a little bit of a lightness to it, and a little bit of a bling and lightness all at the same time. So that really dressed up this whole area from the living room all the way around the dining room here, windows. And the piece de resistance, the thing that took us the longest, was this gorgeous agave chandelier. And it is just, I mean, it was worth the wait. I thought I might lose my mind waiting for it, but let's see if we've got light on this. There we go. Huh, interesting. So it's daylight out, so it's a little hard to see. We've got a dimmer on this, which is great, but I can make it nice and bright as well. But at nighttime, it is a beautiful, it's a beautiful showpiece. Well, one of the other things, as we carried that marble into the dining room as well, we had a faux painter come in and do the ceiling to match the floor. And then she did a faux gold artwork around all of the crown, kind of bringing everything in together. And so that really sets that area off in a way that it wasn't before. So I love that. Oh, and then she also did all of those little alcoves. That we'll show you some of the snapshots of those here in just a second. But all of the alcoves, she also painted those to match the floor and look like marble, because it would have been difficult, to say the least, and quite expensive to put marble in all of those areas with all of the cuts and everything that needed to be done and how it needed to, the edge type that we needed for it. So we'll show you those too as well. And then we repainted the entire house. Every wall's been repainted, and it turned out, yeah, really pretty. But let's take a look at the bathroom. We did the main guest bathroom here on this floor as well. And that was pretty funky. So if you like the stairs, you're gonna really like the bathroom. So let's take a look at that too. So we're in this alcove right before you enter into the main guest bathroom here to my left. But I also wanted to show you this niche that was the faux painting of this shelf top to match the flooring. And she did a really great job when she went to do that. She also came in here, I'll show you this in a second here, but she also came in here and just modeled this wall, as well as gave it some depth with, what is it called, the product that she uses. It's kind of like a ceramic. Somebody will think of it while I'm talking right now, but anyway, you know what it is. Plaster, for crying out loud, plaster of Paris type of thing, and did that in a few different sections of this wall. So it really helped with the character of it as well. But I really love this and the way that it plays off of the floor, this shelf. So let's take a look in the bathroom now. So here we are in the main guest bathroom, and some of the things that we did, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it here, and I'm going to step out of the way so that he can actually show you what we did. But we brought in this beautiful quartz, Dolce Vita quartz, and this really funky, cool vanity for the client. And she absolutely loves it. We also have this gold-plated drain and the funky faucet. Very beautiful. And then we played off of all of that with the mirror and the light and that type of thing. So I'm going to kind of step out of the way and let him kind of video the rest of this. So this vanity here is one that you can purchase at Perch or other retailers. We got it from a different retailer just because it was the very same product, and we were able to actually save the client some money on it. And then the mirror is very unusual. It was difficult to find, but we were happy we found something that went so well with the vanity and played off of that. This room has been faux painted throughout. The walls have this very glistening kind of gold glimmer to them. And then we also did the drapes that are covering the shower, because the client really just didn't like the shower. And she's like, I really don't even want to see the shower. So we did these beautiful black and gold. Has a little contemporary feel to it with the pattern, but it's really pretty. And then we also pulled in the black and gold on another wall here with a gold leaf pattern and gold leaf paint, which is very expensive to purchase, come to find out. And so we had a really neat faux finish done on another wall here in this bathroom. So we want to thank you so much for joining us today and watching this video. We had such a blast working with this client and her husband and pulling this whole picture together for them. If you liked our video, we would love for you to like, subscribe, and share with somebody that you think might be helped by the information here that we have provided. So anyway, if you have any questions about an upcoming project that you might have, just give us a call here at Designing Women of Orange County, 949-371-9075. And remember, if you mention this video, you'll save an extra $1,500 off your full bathroom or kitchen remodel. So mention this video, and again, thank you so much for joining us today.